Good morning, students. May God bless you all. Today we'll start adjectives of degrees. Now, degrees of comparison. Adjectives can be used to compare nouns or pronouns in respect of their qualities, quantities, and numbers. What we will do? We will compare the nouns and pronouns in respect to their qualities, quantities, and numbers. Comparison can be made in three different ways, which we call degrees of comparison. In three different ways, we can compare the things. They are the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. Now see, John is a clever boy. Here, John is not compared with anyone else. Okay, that is called a positive degree. David is cleverer than John. Here, two are compared with each other. So, here David is cleverer than John. So, that is called comparative degree. Then, Peter is the cleverest of all the three boys. Here, Peter is compared with other three boys. So here we have used it cleverest, clever, cleverer, cleverest. It is called superlative degree. When only one person is there, then we will use positive degree. When two persons are compared with each other and then is there, then we will use comparative degree. When a person is compared with more than two persons, more than 1, 2, 3, then we will use superlative degree, and that is cleverest. To express a quality in a simple statement or to show that two nouns or pronouns have the same quality in an equal degree using as or in an unequal degree using not so or as, the positive degree of comparison is used. Now you see, Tom is a good sportsman. Here Tom is not compared with anyone. Okay, Tom is a good sportsman. So that is called positive degree. Now Abdul is as good as a sportsman as Tom. Abdul is as good a sportsman as Tom. Here comparison is same. Abdul and Tom both are a good sportsman. So there also we have used positive degree. Here you can see, here comparison was that David was cleverer than John. But here both are same. So we are using positive degree only. Now Mohan is not so good a sportsman as Abdul. Mohan is not so good a sportsman. It means he is not so good as Abdul. But both are same. He is not better than Abdul. Okay. But both are same. So there also we are using positive degree. So as. So as. As. Okay. To express a higher level of degree of quality by comparing two nouns or pronouns, the comparative degree of comparison is used to express a higher level or a degree of quality. Okay, here we are expressing higher than that. Indu is more beautiful than Sheila. Here two are there, Indu and Sheila, but in that Indu is more beautiful. So we are using in that comparative degree. Now Ramu is taller than Prashad. Here two are there, Ramu and Prashad, but who is taller? Ramu is taller. So comparative degree. Mumbai is more populated than most other cities of India. Here Mumbai is compared with most other cities of India. The Mumbai is more populated than any other cities in India. So we are using comparative degree. To express the highest level or degree of quality by comparing more than two nouns or pronouns. If highest level of degree of quality we are using, and the comparison is between more than two nouns or pronouns, more than two. The superlative degree of comparison is used. Kolkata is the biggest of all the cities in India. Which one is the biggest of all the cities in India? Kolkata is the biggest. So there we will use superlative degree. Veena is the most beautiful girl in her class. In the class we can see only two are not there. More than two persons are there. Maybe 30, 40. In that, Veena is most beautiful. So superlative degree. It was the coldest day of the season. Okay. So the day was not 1 or 2 comparison we are not doing here. It was the coldest day of the season. So superlative degree. Now formation of comparatives and superlatives. How we are forming comparatives and superlatives. Degrees of comparison are formed in several ways. Rule A is single syllabic adjectives add er or est to their positive degrees to form their comparative and superlative degrees. We are using either er in the comparative and est in the superlative. Bright, brighter, brightest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Yes, rest you learn it. Okay. Now next is now rule B is single syllabic adjectives ending in E. If it is ending in E, take R. So we will add there R and st to their positive degrees to form their comparative and superlative degree. If it is ending in E, then we will use R for comparative and we will add st for superlative. You can see close, closer, closest. Brave, braver, bravest. Here ending in E, we added R for comparative and st for superlative. Wise, wiser, wisest. Now rest you can learn it. Okay. Now rule C is single syllabic adjectives ending in a consonant preceded by a short vowel add er or est after doubling the last consonant. Now see, single syllabic adjectives ending in a consonant. Ending in a consonant means except a, e, I, o, u. Okay, it is ending in a consonant preceded by a short vowel. Preceded by a short vowel. The sound short vowel sound will be there. Add er or est. See, gay. A, it is coming out, gay. So gayer, gayest. The vowel has a long sound. The sound of vowel is long, but consonant sound is short. Now see, hot. O, we are saying O is vowel. You can see hot. O is long and T is consonant is short. Hot, hotter, hottest. So here we doubled T, we doubled it, and ER and EST we added it. Big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Now this also you can learn it. Now rule D is adjectives ending in Y. Adjectives ending in Y preceded by a consonant change Y into I. If the adjective is ending in Y, what will happen? Y will change to I. And take ER and EST and it will add comparative ER and for superlative EST to form their comparative and superlatives degrees. Ending in Y, Y will change to I and ER in comparative and EST in superlative. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Easy, easier, easiest, pretty, prettier, prettiest. This also learn it. Okay. Now rule is most adjectives of 2 syllables and all adjectives of more than 2 syllables form their comparative by adding more and the superlative by adding most. Most adjectives, what will happen? 2 syllables means attractive. Like that we say attractive. Attractive. So it is called 2 syllables. Beautiful. 2 times we are speaking it. 2 parts we can make of a word. That is called as 2 syllables. Brilliant. Careful. Like that. So in that what will happen? More will be added for comparative and most for superlative. Attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Brilliant, more brilliant, most brilliant. So this one also you learn it. Now next is irregular comparison, where all the 3 forms will be different. Positive, good and well. So comparative will be better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Evil, worse, worst. Many, more, most. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Ill, worse, worst. In, inner, inmost. Now there are 12 adjectives that are derived from Latin. Of these, 5 are used only as positive adjectives. 5 are used as positive adjectives. Interior, exterior, ulterior, major, minor. These are used only for positive. And 7 are used as comparative adjectives. And other 7 are used as comparative. They are followed by to instead of than. Cleverer than, instead of than we are using their to. They are inferior, superior, prior, anterior, posterior, senior and junior. Now see example. John is junior to me in the office. Comparative degree. Here than is not used, that John is junior than to. Okay. She thinks that she is superior to others. Comparative degree. This event is posterior to the other one. Comparative degree. You are inferior to none. Here also comparative degree. Now double comparatives are not used. We cannot use double comparatives like she is more healthier than Shobha. It is incorrect. She is far healthier than Shobha. That is correct. Okay. Double comparative means more is also used and healthy, healthier. That is. So two comparatives we cannot use. Instead of that, far healthier than. When the possessive precedes an adjective in the superlative degree, the is not used. She has done her best. At present, things are at their worst. He is my best friend. Here you can see her, their and my is possessive now. Possessive, okay. So with that possessive adjective in the superlative degree, we cannot use the. She has done the best. No, because possessive here is here. She has done her. After possessive we cannot use that she has done her the best. She has done her best because possessive is there. Now when the superlative degree is used to show a high degree of a quality and does not aim at a comparison. When the superlative degree is used to show a high degree of equality and does not aim at a comparison, the is omitted. It is most fortunate indeed. It is most encouraging to work under Mr. Das. Now the word perfect has no degrees of comparison. For perfect we cannot use any degree of comparison. There is no degree for comparison. Do not say his work is more perfect than mine. You may say my work is not as perfect as his. This one is incorrect. Okay. More perfect we cannot use because there is no comparison for perfect. So we can say my work is not as perfect as his. Now next is our worksheet. Fill in the blanks with the correct degrees of comparison. Solomon was the dash king who ever lived. Now wise is given there. Which degree we will use? The wisest king, because many kings were there, in that Solomon was the wisest. Of all the Romans, Brutus was the dash. Of all the Roman brutes, it is talking about many persons, all the Romans. So here noble is given. What will write? Noblest, because it is compared with many of them. Now Rajiv is dash than Shyam. Wise. Here we can see than is there. So we will use here comparative wiser. No one could run as dash as Vimla. As. So what we should use? Yeah, positive. As fast as Vimla. Today he sang dash than he did yesterday. Than is there. So comparative. Good. Here we will use better. That is the dash book I have ever read. That is the how many books he has read for, but in that this book is most interesting. Japan is dash than many other nations. Here you can see than is there, means comparison, comparative, richer than. The camel is the dash animal in a desert. The camel is the most useful. Many animals are there, in that camel is most useful for desert. Light travels dash than sound. Light travels than is there, so comparative, faster. Nobody is as dash as Jaya. As, so we will use positive degree, dutiful. Smita is dash now than she used to be. Smita is than is there, okay. More helpful now than. More helpful. Jupiter is the dash planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the largest. How many planets are there? Yeah, 8. In that Jupiter is the largest. This is the dash story I have read. This is the many stories he has read, but this is the most interesting story. Gold is the dash of all the metals. Gold is the Yeah, many metals are there in that. Gold is most precious. Now Mohan is not so dash as his brother. So and as. So we will use positive polite only. Mohan is not so polite as his brother. A wise enemy is dash than a foolish friend. So here than you can see. So comparison, comparative degree, better than. Of the two sisters, Rita is the dash. Of the two sisters, it is talked about two sisters. Rita is the, so comparison is between two only. So prettier, comparative degree. The dash suggestion came from my sister. The dash suggestion, many suggestions she gave, but this one was the best suggestion. This is the dash price I can offer. This is the highest price. Helen, the Greek queen, was the dash woman in those days. Many women were there, okay? In that, Helen was most beautiful. Now we'll come to second worksheet. Change the degree of comparison without changing the meaning. We have to change the degree of comparison, but meaning should not change. Shishir works the hardest in the class. So no one in the class work as hard as Shishir. Now second is she cannot run so fast as you. You can run faster you can run faster than her. Venus is brighter than any other planet. So Venus is brighter than any other. So Venus is the brightest planet. Venus is the brightest planet. She is the most polite girl in the class. Okay, so no other girl in the class is as polite as she. Now next, no other metal is so precious as gold. So gold is more precious than any other metal. Gold is more precious than any other metal. His bark is worse than his bite. So his bite is not as bad as his bark. Both are his bite is not as bad as as his bark. Now rose is lovelier than any other flower. So rose is the loveliest flower. Your watch is more expensive than mine. Now my watch is not as expensive as yours. My watch is not as expensive as yours. It means yours is expensive. The Ganga is the holiest of all rivers. So without changing word, no other river is as holy as the Ganga. No other girl is so hardworking as Pallavi. So, who is the hardworking girl? Pallavi. So, Pallavi is more hardworking than any other girls. Now next is, we are the saddest when left alone. So we are very sad when left alone. We are very sad when left alone. Mango is more popular than any other fruit. So which is popular? Mango. So mango is most popular fruit. Mango is the most popular fruit. This is the best plan. So no other plan. You can see whenever we have used the superlative degree, we are starting with no other. Okay, no other plan is as good as this. Then superlative here changes to positive. The route is shorter than any other route. So this is the shortest route, shortest of all routes. Okay, now this one you can, both the worksheets you have to do in your homework. Thank you.